For new videos, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hello and welcome. Today we are going to show how to enable the disappearing messages in WhatsApp. So open the WhatsApp chat for which you have to enable disappearing messages. Click on the three dots, select contact info, scroll down and tap on disappearing messages. By default, this feature is already disabled. So click on to enable this. Once you have done this feature is enabled and the messages will be automatically deleted from your chat after 7 days, as you can see here. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.